So the first thing that you should know about AMD is that it is a laggard. And in the stock market, we always want to be invested in the best stock in the sector. Why is it a laggard? It's in the semiconductor industry, and there are other semiconductor stocks that have been doing better this year. I have added the chart of ARM and Nvidia. So Nvidia is the purple one, ARM is this red one. So when we look at other semiconductor stocks, we can see that AMD is lagging behind the stocks. There are other semiconductor stocks that have been making much bigger moves than AMD. So this tells us that investors are choosing those stocks because they have a better outlook. The stock market is like you going to a university and trying to pick the brightest students. Don't try to pick the students who are not getting the highest grades. That's what's happening with AMD. If you had picked Nvidia or ARM, you would have made a bigger return on your money. So despite the fact that semiconductors were going up, you want to be in the best of the best semiconductor. So if you're an investor, it's better if you're in Nvidia or ARM or TSM rather than this one. We always have the weekly chart to look at the bigger trend. Then we have the daily chart to look at the short-term trend. Qualcomm has formed this consolidation here where it has failed to break out and it has broken down and it is showing a very bearish pattern. So this is likely to pull other semiconductor stocks down as well. If we look at ARM, which is another stock in the semiconductor business, we can see it has a very technical pattern. It comes down, struggles to go up on the weekly chart. Of course, traders could have made profits from these swings, but as long-term investors, it is hard to make money in such a pattern where the stock is struggling to move up. So what normally happens is that this is something like an ABC. So it will go down A, B, it will struggle to go up, then it's going to come and form a C, and then it is likely to recover from there. So we are seeing this very bearish pattern among a lot of semiconductor stock. Although Nvidia is at all-time high, we can see on the weekly chart that the stock is struggling to go up. It is going up, but it is not going up smoothly as it did before. So you can see here, Nvidia was going up already, but the move was very smooth and easy.